Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see use Ansible to scale Azure App Service. In the previous video, we created the Azure App Service Plan, and the Traffic Manager as a public DNS endpoint of the app service using Ansible. In this video, we will use Ansible to scale the Azure App Service. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, this is where we left on the app service side, app service web app service plan. This is the my Linux web app, my web app, and all the resources that I created using the Ansible. Now I will scale up the app service or an app. And to scale up means to acquire more resources. These resources include CPUs, memory, disk spaces, VMs, and more. We scale up an app by changing the pricing tier of the app service plan to which the app belongs. Scale out means to scale out and increase the number of VM instances that run the app. Okay. So let me do this. Web app underscore not YML. I'll paste the code here. Okay, so I ran the command Ansible playbook web app underscore scaleup dot YML after changing the data in the file, and now it is doing. See, it is now failed 0. The task is completed. So you now we will go to the app service plan, and you see the app service plan size is S2. Okay. And if you want to increase the number of instances, we'll have to change the code again, which is the scale out. And let's say you want to do it like this. So if you go here, you see scale up option. We go to S1. Now you want to change it to S3. If you want to change it to S3, you will open up that file again. Okay, and where the SKU mention is S2, you'll change it to S3 here, right? It picks up the existing, then it scales up. So you colon WQ enter, and you execute the YML file again. Okay, it will do it. Now it's executing that task where it gets the information, which is the S2. Now it's S3, and if you would go to the overview section, S3. Okay, and now if we make it to what it was, we can go here and okay, I've got to shift S1, escape like this, and execute it. Do it like this. Now you refresh it. Service plan is S1. Okay, now because I have everything in here and I don't want to be get charged unnecessarily, so I will delete this resource group. You can delete it via commands as well, or you can do via Ansible playbook as well. But it is deleting. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. Please let me know if you have any queries in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.